Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account with Zions Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zionsbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zions Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on personal mortgage, and you will be taken into your mortgage login page. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the I agree to user terms and privacy policy option and finally click on the login button, which will then log you in to your Zions mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the forgot username and the forgot password option to reset them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Zions mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.